I am Muhammad Riaz Minhas. I welcome you online video lectures of class 10th subject mathematics. This is lecture number 5. Before formal start of lecture number 5, first of all, recap. In lecture number 1, we have learned standard quadratic equations. In lecture number 2, we learn solution by factorization. Lecture number 3, we learn the method completing square. In lecture number 4, we solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Today, our topic is equations reducible to quadratic form. Now we discuss different types of equations which can be reduced to a quadratic equation by some proper substitution. मीन हम ऐसी इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे जो कि सब्स्टिट्यूशन से पहले क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म होंगी. टाइप 1, द इक्वेशंस ऑफ द टाइप a x raised by 4 plus b x square plus c is equals to 0. Exercise 1.3, question number 1 to 5. 1.3 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 5 तक इसी मेथड से सॉल्व होंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 2x square is equals to 9x square minus 4. Solution of this statement, we suppose let x square is equals to y, and if we taking square of this equation on both sides, we will get x square is equals to x raised by 4 is equals to y square. Now substituting in place of x raised by 4 y square, we will get 2y square is equals to, and in place of x square we substitute y, we will get 9y minus 4. On rearranging this equation, we will get 2y square minus 9y plus 4 is equals to 0. By using the method of mid breaking, 2y square minus 8y minus y plus 4 is equals to 0 implies we take 2y as a common from first two terms, we will get 2y into y minus 4, and we take minus 1 as a common from minus y plus 4, so minus 1 into y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we get 2y minus 1 and y minus 4 is equals to 0. We set these two factors as equals to 0, 2y minus 1 is equals to 0 or y minus 4 is equals to 0. From the first factor 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, we will get the value of y is equals to 1 by 2, and from the second factor we get the value of y is equals to 4. Now students, put y is equals to x square, which is our supposition. Y is equals to x square in y is equals to 1 by 2, we get x square is equals to 1 by 2. Taking square root of this equation on both sides, we will get under root x square plus is equals to plus minus under root 1 by 2. the final value of x is equals to plus minus 1 over under root 2. Similarly, put y is equals to x square in second factor, y is equals to 4. We get x square is equals to 4, implies taking square root on both sides of this equation, we will get under root x square is equals to 4 under root 4, and the final value of x is equals to plus minus 2. Now the solution set is equals to plus minus 1 over under root 2 comma plus minus 2. We take another example of type 1, question number 4. The statement is x raised per 2 by 3 plus 54 is equals to 15x raised per 1 by 3. Now let x raised per 1 by 3 is equals to y, and if we take square of the values, then we get x raised by 2 by 3 is equals to y square. Now in place of x raised by 2 by 3, we substitute y square. So we get y square minus 15. In place of x raised by 1 by 3, we substitute y minus 15y plus 54 is equals to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation after substitution. By the method of mid breaking, the factors of 54, 9, 6 are. So y square minus 9y minus 6y plus 54 is equals to 0. From the first two terms, we will get y as a common, y into y minus 9. We take minus 6 as a common from the next two terms. So minus 6 into y minus 9 is equals to 0. Y minus 9 into y minus 6 is equals to 0. Either y minus 9 is equals to 0 or y minus 6 is also equals to 0. From first factor, we will get y is equals to 9, or from the second factor, y minus 6, y is equals to 6. Now students, for first factor, put y is equals to 9 in x raised by 1 by 3 is equals to y. In place of y, we substitute 9. We will get x raised by 1 by 3 is equals to 9. Taking cube on both, x raised by 1 by 3 whole cube is equals to 9 cube. On solving, cube cancel with cube, root 3 cancel with 3, we will get x is equals to 729, which is the cube of 9. And the second factor, y is equals to 6. We put y is equals to 6 in x raised by 1 by 3 is equals to y. In place of y, we substitute 6. X raised by 1 by 3 is equals to 6. Taking cube on both sides, we will get x raised by 1 by 3 whole raised by 3 is equals to 6 cube. 3 cancel with 3. X is equals to the cube of 6 216. Now the solution set is equals to 729 and 216. Students, type 2, the equation of the type A, px plus b over px is equals to c. इस टाइप में आप देख रहे हैं कि सेकंड टर्म में फर्स्ट टर्म का रेसिप्रोकल मौजूद है. So we have the equations in which first term and the reciprocal of first term are present in the given equation. Exercise 1.3 question number 6 to 9 are solved by this method, in which we take question number 9 as an example. X minus a over x plus a minus x plus a over x minus a is equals to 7 over 12. स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं क्लियरली फर्स्ट टर्म का रेसिप्रोकल सेकेंड टर्म में मौजूद है. सॉल्यूशन, लेट द फर्स्ट टर्म x minus a over x plus a is equals to y and the reciprocal of this term is equals to x plus a over x minus a is equals to 1 over y. Now substitute in place of x minus a over x plus a y and x plus a over x minus a, the reciprocal 1 over y. So we will get y minus 1 over y is equals to 7 over 12. Students, multiplying by LCM 12y on both sides, we get 12y square minus 12 is equals to 7y. Now on rearranging the equation, and we will get from this statement a standard quadratic equation 12y square minus 7y minus 12 is equals to 0. We solve this equation by the method of mid breaking. We will get 12y square minus 16y plus 9 minus 12 is equals to 0. We take 4y as a common from first two terms. We will get 4y into 3y minus 4, and we take plus 3 as a common from the next two terms, and we will get plus 3 into 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we have this equation in factor form. 3y minus 4 into 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. Either first factor 3y minus 4 is equals to 0 or second factor 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. From first factor we will get y is equals to 4 by 3, and from the second factor we will get y is equals to minus 3 by 4. Students, now we put y is equals to x minus a over x plus a in the first factor value. Y is equals to 4 by 3. We get x minus a over x plus a is equals to 4 by 3. By the method of cross multiplication, 4 multiplied by x plus a and 3 multiplied by x minus a, we will get 4x plus 4a is equals to 3x minus 3a. On the simplification of this part of the statement, we will get the value of x is equals to minus 7a. Students, now we put again y is equals to x minus a over x plus a in second factor. Y is equals to minus 3 by 4. We get x minus a over x plus a is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now Again by cross multiplication, 4 multiplied by x minus a and minus 3 multiplied by x plus a. We will get 4x minus 4a is equals to minus 3x minus 3a. On simplification, this part of the statement, we will get the value of x is equals to a by 7. The solution set of this equation, minus 7a and a by 7. Students, here we solve the type 3 reciprocal equations of the type. Reciprocal equation, an equation is said to be a reciprocal equation if it remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 by x. अगर हम इस इक्वेशन में x को 1 by x से रिप्लेस करें तो भी इक्वेशन में किसी किस्म की तब्दीली नहीं होगी. हमारे पास रेसिप्रोकल इक्वेशन की एग्जांपल या टाइप a x स्क्वायर प्लस b x क्यूब प्लस c x स्क्वायर प्लस b x प्लस a इज इक्वल्स टू 0 और a इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर plus b into x plus 1 over x plus c is equals to 0. Now we take an example from exercise 1.3 question number 10 to 11. Mean 10 and 11 are the examples of reciprocal equations. So question number 10 statement x raised power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Solution. Dividing each term of the statement by x square, we get like this. First term divided by x square, second term minus 2x cube divided by x square, third term minus 2x square divided by x square plus 2x divided by x square and plus 1 over x square is equals to 0. From this statement, on dividing by x square and on rearranging the values, we will get x square plus 1 over x square minus 2x plus 2 by x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we write this statement as first two terms x square plus 1 over x square. We take minus 2 as a common from the next two terms. Minus 2 into x minus 1 over x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now by supposition, let x minus 1 over x, this value is equals to y. Now taking square on both sides, we will get x minus 1 over x whole square is equals to y square. On solving the square, we will get x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 is equals to y square. We switch minus 2 from left side to right side. Now the final value x square plus 1 over x square is equals to y square plus 2. Mean, in this equation x square plus 1 over x square is equals to y square plus 2. So the equation become y square plus 2 minus 2. In place of x minus 1 over x, we substitute y and minus 2 is equals to 0. Minus 2 cancel with plus 2. The remaining two terms y square minus 2y is equals to 0 implies we take y as a common from these two terms. Y into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Either y is equals to 0 or y minus 2 is also set as a 0 and we get the value from y minus 2 is 2. Now students, put y is equals to 0 from first factor. Y is equals to 0 in the supposed value x minus 1 over x is equals to y. So in place of y, we substitute 0. We will get x minus 1 over x is equals to 0. In this equation, we multiplying by LCM x on both sides. We will get x square minus 1 is equals to 0, and from this the value of x obtained is plus minus 1. Now put y is equals to 2 from second factor in the supposition x minus 1 over x is equals to y. In place of y, we substitute 2. So x minus 1 over x is equals to 2. In this equation, we again multiplying by LCM x on both sides. We will get x square minus 1 is equals to 2x. On rearranging, we will get x square minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. This is a standard quadratic equation. We don't have the factors of these equations. So by using quadratic formula, we get x is equals to 1 plus minus under root 2. So the solution set of this statement, question number 10, related to type 3 reciprocal equations, plus minus 1 and 1 plus minus under root. Students, type 4 equations reducible to quadratic equation, exponential equations. In case exponential equations, variable occurs in exponent. Exercise 1.3 question number 12 to 14 are the examples of exponential equations. We take question number 13. 3 raised by 2x plus 2 is equals to 12 into 3 raised by x minus 3 as an example. Solution. We separate the exponent with base 3 raised by 2x into 3 square 3 raised by 2 minus 12 into 3 raised by x plus 3 is equals to 0. Let 3 raised by x we substitute or put is equals to y. Taking square of these two terms, we will get 3 raised by 2x is equals to y square. Now, in this equation, 3 raised by 2x put is equals to y square and 3 square is 9. So 9 into y square mean 9y square minus 12 into y. 3 raised by x, in place of 3 raised by x we substitute y, so 12y minus 12y plus 3. On substituting these values, we will get 9y square minus 12y plus 3 is equals to 0. By using the method of mid breaking, we will get 9y minus 3 into y minus 1 is equals to 0. Either from first factor, we find the value of y is equals to 1 by 3, and from the second factor, we will find the value of y is 1. Now students, put y is equals to 1 by 3 from first factor in the supposition 3 raised by x is equals to y. So in place of y, we substitute 1 by 3. 3 raised by x is equals to 1 by 3. 3 raised by x is equals to 3 raised by minus 1. 3 डिनोमिनेटर से हम इसे ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे. जब इसको 3 डिनोमिनेटर से ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो इसकी पावर -1 हो जाएगी. सो 3 रेज पर x इज इक्वल टू 3 रेज पर -1. बेस आर कैंसल विद ईच अदर. 3 cancel with 3, we will get x is equals to -1. The first value of x from the first factor. Now students, put y is equals to 1 from the first factor in the supposed value 3 raised by x is equals to y. So in place of y, we substitute 1. 3 raised by x is equals to 1. 3 raised by x is equals to, in place of 1 as 3 raised by 0, we used as a notation. 3 रेज पर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1। स्टूडेंट्स 9th क्लास में भी आप यूज कर चुके हैं ये नोटेशन, जिसमें अगर किसी वैल्यू की पावर 0 हो जाए तो वो 1 के इक्वल होती है। So 3 raised by x is equals to 3 raised by 0. Base 3 cancel with base 3. X is equals to 0 is the answer. So the solution set of this statement of exponential equation question number 13 minus 1 and 0. Students, type 5, the equations of the type x plus a into x plus b into x plus c into x plus d is equals to k। हमारे पास इक्वेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ फैक्टर फॉर्म में मौजूद होती है। इन फैक्टर्स को आपस में इस तरह से हम अरेंज करते हैं कि वो फैक्टर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई किए जाते हैं। यहाँ वो फैक्टर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई किए जाएंगे जिनमें उनके कांस्टेंट जैसे a प्लस बी को प्लस करें और c प्लस डी को प्लस करें तो इनके आंसर आपस में इक्वल आए। अगर ये इक्वल आए तो फिर हम इन फैक्टर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करके इसे क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लेते हैं। एक्सरसाइज 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 एंड 16 इसकी एग्जांपल्स हैं। टू सॉल्व टाइप 5 क्वेश्चंस फॉलो द एग्जांपल 5 पेज नंबर 11। अगर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 और 16 को सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं तो स्टूडेंट इसके लिए आपको एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5 जो कि पेज 11 पर मौजूद है बुक 10th, उसे आपको फॉलो करना होगा। यहाँ एक बात काबिल जिक्र है, कीप रिमेंबर इन ग्रेड 9th you have already learned how to solve such type of equations. If you remember book mathematics 9th exercise 5.2 question number 4 page number 106 book 9th mathematics exercise 5.2 है, चैप्टर 5 है, उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जो कि पेज नंबर 106 पर मौजूद है। ये आप 9th क्लास में सीख आए हैं। ये उसी टाइप या उसी तरह का क्वेश्चन है। यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स इट्स टाइम फॉर योर होमवर्क, so please practice the remaining questions by yourself in your maths notebook. Your notebooks will be checked when your school will reopen. So good luck students. Thank you very much.